Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you something about the state of Meghalaya and their existence in it. That's mean the general knowledge in Meghalaya today in this video. Thank you. So by the way, let's get started. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Answer is Shillong. How many divisions are in Meghalaya? Answer is 3 divisions. Which system is followed by Meghalaya? Answer is matrilineal system. What is the Sanskrit meaning of Meghalaya? Answer is abode of cloud. Total number of dams in Meghalaya? 7. Who is the first speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly? R.S. Longdok. Which is the only country that border Meghalaya? Bangladesh. How many total development blocks are in Meghalaya? 46. What nickname did the British imperial authorities give to Shillong during the British rule of India? Scotland of the East. In which year Shillong was made capital of Assam? 1874. Which is the tallest plum waterfall in India? Nokkalikai Falls. Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? B.K. Nehru. Which is the state animal of Meghalaya? Clouded leopard. Who is the first chief minister of Meghalaya? Williamson R. Sangma. Which lake is known as Pungsajar Nangli, a man-made historical lake in Meghalaya? Thatlaskai Lake. Which country is comparable to the size of Meghalaya? Belize. Which district is Dauki located at? West Jaintia Hill District. Which is the highest point in Meghalaya? Shillong Peak. Which religion is mostly found in Meghalaya? Christianity. Which is the longest natural cave in South Asia? Krem Liat Pra. What is the full form of NEGRIN? Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science. What is the official language of Meghalaya? English. When was Meghalaya separated from Assam? 21st January 1922. How many districts are in Meghalaya? 12 districts. Which is the wettest region in Meghalaya? Mawal Sundram. Which river can be found under Dauki Bridge? Umngot River. Which village of Meghalaya was declared the cleanest in Asia in 2002 and 2005 by Traveler magazine Discover India? Maulunno. Where is Nokkalikai Falls located? Cherrapunji. Which is the total number of Lok Sabha seats in Meghalaya? 2. What is the total number of Rajya Sabha seats in Meghalaya? 1. Which is Meghalaya state tree? White teak. How many tribal groups are in Meghalaya? 3. Which is the biggest annual festival in Jaintia Hill, Meghalaya? Batting Club. Where is Meghalaya located? Northeast India. When was Meghalaya High Court established? March 2013. Which is the largest district by population in Meghalaya? East Khasi Hill. Which group of people are mostly found in Meghalaya? Scheduled tribe, ST. What is the length to breadth of Meghalaya? 3:1. How many municipalities are in Meghalaya? 3. Shillong, Jura, Java.